So guys, today we are going to be very fast about it. We are going to be making pasta pesto. Let's not waste much time and let's go straight into the introduction of the ingredients. Grated Parmesan cheese, cashew nut, salt. Here is my seasoning cube. And here is my basil leaf, my fresh basil leaf. And here is my penne pasta. Here is my white pepper. And I have here my black pepper, garlic, olive oil. First step here is that I'm selecting my basil leaf from the stick. Then I'm going to wash it and allow it to drain off the water before blending it with the rest of the ingredients. After allowing the leaf to drain water for some minutes, I add it to my blender. Then I add in the cashew nuts, Parmesan cheese, white pepper, black pepper, seasoning, salt, and olive oil. Then I'll mix it together before blending it to a smooth paste and then move on to the next step. Before I blend this, I'll cook my penne pasta in a hot salted water. While it's cooking, then I'll go ahead to blend it before proceeding to the next step. Here our pesto sauce is ready. I'm now waiting for the pasta to get soft. Then we move to the next step. Once this pasta is ready, drain it off from the water and set it outside. You can bring in your chopped garlic or minced garlic. Place a fry pan on fire. Add in your olive oil, then some quantity of the garlic. Give it a stir before adding in the pasta. Once the pasta is added, mix all together before bringing in your pesto sauce. You can now bring in your pesto sauce, adding it bit by bit till you get the desired texture you want it to have. With a low heat, everything should be well mixed together, and you can add in more pesto sauce to the pasta till you get the desired quantity you want to have. A big thank you for always watching our videos. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do that right now, please. With not forgetting our pasta pesto, you can see right here on the screen that our pasta pesto is ready to be served. Once each dish out to the plate, you can now grate in some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it on the pasta. This is a good one and this is a nice recipe. I would like you to try and make a comment on the comment section. Thank you so very much. We love you. Bye bye.